You probably write something every single day, but did you know there are actually 10 completely different types of AI writing tools, each one built for a completely different purpose? By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one is right for you. Let's get into it. AI Content Writer. AI content writers are general-purpose writing tools that generate blog posts, articles, website copy, social media content, and marketing materials from brief instructions or topic descriptions provided by the user. They have become essential productivity tools for content marketers, bloggers, and businesses that need to produce large volumes of written content consistently. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai pioneered this category, training their models specifically on marketing and persuasive writing to produce output better suited to commercial content needs than general-purpose chatbots. A user can describe a blog topic, specify the target audience, choose a tone, and receive a complete draft article within seconds. The quality of AI content writing has improved dramatically, with the best tools producing output that requires only light editing rather than complete rewriting before publication. AI Email Writer. AI email writers help users compose professional, effective emails faster by generating complete email drafts from brief descriptions of what needs to be communicated. Users describe the situation, following up on a meeting, requesting a deadline extension, responding to a complaint, reaching out to a potential client, and the AI produces a polished email with appropriate tone, structure, and professional language. Gmail has integrated AI writing assistants directly into its Compose window through its Help Me Write feature, bringing AI email drafting to hundreds of millions of users without requiring any additional tools. The technology is particularly valuable for non-native English speakers who need to communicate professionally in English, and for anyone who finds writing difficult or time-consuming. Sales professionals use AI email writers to personalize outreach messages at scale, generating individually customized emails for large prospect lists. AI SEO Writing Tool. AI SEO writing tools combine content generation with search engine optimization knowledge, producing written content specifically structured and worded to rank highly in search engine results. They analyze target keywords, suggest optimal content structure, recommend related topics to cover, check content against SEO best practices, and generate meta descriptions and title tags alongside the main content. Surfer SEO and Phrase have built platforms that integrate AI writing with real-time SEO analysis, allowing writers to see how their content compares to top-ranking pages as they write. The democratization of SEO content creation through AI tools has allowed small businesses and individual creators to compete for search visibility against larger organizations that previously had significant advantages through dedicated SEO teams and content budgets. AI Academic Writing Assistant. AI academic writing assistants help students and researchers with the specific demands of scholarly writing, structuring arguments, improving clarity and concision, suggesting appropriate academic vocabulary, checking citation formatting, and identifying logical gaps in reasoning. Grammarly's academic features and tools like Writeful have found significant adoption in universities and research institutions. The use of AI in academic writing has generated substantial debate about academic integrity, with institutions developing policies that distinguish between using AI as an editing and improvement tool versus using it to generate academic work that is submitted as the student's own original thinking. Researchers also use AI writing tools to improve the clarity of papers written in their second language before submission to English language journals. AI Copywriting Tool. AI copywriting tools specialize in the specific craft of persuasive commercial writing, advertisements, product descriptions, landing page copy, email subject lines, call to action phrases, and sales page content, where the precise choice of words directly affects conversion rates and revenue. These tools are trained on high-performing advertising copy and understand the psychological principles of persuasion, urgency, social proof, and benefit-focused communication that make commercial writing effective. Copy.ai and Anyword have developed platforms specifically optimized for marketing copy that goes beyond general content writing. Some advanced copywriting AI tools can predict the likely performance of different copy variations before they are tested in the market, helping marketers choose the most effective messaging without expensive split testing. AI Scriptwriter. AI scriptwriters generate scripts for videos, podcasts, presentations, and theatrical productions from topic outlines, character descriptions, or scene requirements. YouTube creators use AI scriptwriters to develop video scripts more quickly, maintaining consistent publishing schedules without spending hours planning and writing each video manually. Podcast hosts use them to prepare interview questions, segment outlines, and episode structures. Corporate communicators use AI scriptwriters to prepare executive presentation scripts and training video content. The tools understand the structural conventions of different script formats, the 3-act structure of dramatic writing, the hook, content, call-to-action structure of YouTube videos, the conversational flow of podcast dialogue, and apply these frameworks to user-provided topics automatically. AI Summarization Tool. AI summarization tools condense long documents, articles, research papers, reports, and videos into concise summaries that capture the essential information without requiring the user to read or watch the complete original content. The ability to rapidly process large volumes of information has made AI summarization tools valuable across many professional contexts. Lawyers summarizing case documents, analysts condensing research reports, executives reviewing lengthy meeting transcripts, and students processing academic papers. Tools like Notion AI and various browser extensions can summarize web pages, PDFs, and YouTube videos on demand. As the volume of information people are expected to process in professional contexts continues to grow, AI summarization has shifted from a novelty to a genuine productivity necessity for knowledge workers. AI Translation Tool. AI translation tools convert written content between languages with accuracy and naturalness that has dramatically improved over the decades since neural machine translation replaced earlier rule-based approaches. DeepL has established itself as the preferred AI translation tool among professional translators and language-sensitive users who find its output more natural and nuanced than competing services, including Google Translate. AI translation tools now handle not just word-for-word conversion, but cultural localization, adapting idioms, humor, and cultural references to be appropriate for the target language audience, rather than producing literal translations that feel awkward to native speakers. Businesses use AI translation to localize websites, marketing materials, product documentation, and customer support content for global markets at a fraction of the cost of traditional human translation services. AI Grammar and Style Checker. AI grammar and style checkers go far beyond the basic spell checking built into word processors, analyzing writing for grammatical errors, unclear phrasing, inconsistent tone, wordiness, passive voiceover use, and stylistic inconsistencies that undermine the effectiveness of written communication. Grammarly is the dominant product in this category, with hundreds of millions of users, integrating across browsers, word processors, and email clients to provide real-time writing feedback wherever users write. Pro Writing Aid offers more detailed style analysis, particularly valued by fiction writers. These tools have effectively democratized access to writing coaching that was previously available only through expensive human editors, allowing writers at all levels to receive instant feedback that measurably improves the clarity and professionalism of their written communication. AI Story and Creative Writing Tool. AI creative writing tools assist authors, screenwriters, game designers, and creative writing students in developing fiction, narrative content, world-building details, character backstories, and plot structures. They can generate scene descriptions, suggest plot developments when a writer is stuck, maintain consistency of character voice across a long manuscript, and help writers explore different directions a story could take before committing to a path. Pseudo-Write has built a devoted following among fiction writers for its specific features designed around the creative writing process, including tools for developing sensory description, deepening character emotion, and breaking through writer's block. The relationship between AI and creative writing is philosophically complex. Most serious authors use these tools as creative assistants rather than replacements for their own voice and vision. That covers 10 kinds of AI writing tools we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple right now, because next week we are breaking down 10 types of AI voice tools, and trust me, you do not want to miss that one. Drop a comment below and tell us, which AI writing tool do you use the most? See you in the next one.